Rosemary Cummings, and I'm your instructor for tonight. And the way I want you to introduce yourselves is give your first name and a weather-related word that describes you. So, I'm Rosemary, and I'm stormy. Go ahead.
I'm Donna, and I'm breezy.
Go ahead.
I'm Darlene.
What's your weather report? What the weather
My
describes
weather
you?
report fair.
And I'm Vicky, and I'm cloudy.
Okay. Okay, that's great.
They always say on TV, it's a fair day.
Okay, if you'll all come over to the table, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to play weather bingo.
Oh.
And so if I call a word that is on your sheet, then you mark it off with an X. And the first one to get bingo gets to decide whether or not we go for blackout.
Okay. Well, I'll sit here since there's... Is that okay? Yep.
Okay, the first word is basement.
Basement, tornado. Is that...
No, basement.
You just exit out, right?
Oh, you're looking for the word basement.
Yes, and just
Okay.
exit out.
Gotcha.
Okay, weatherize.
Weather what?
Weatherize, like to weatherize a building.
Oh, weatherize.
Weather?
Weatherize, you know, like you're weatherizing your building.
Like you're putting on insulation or weather stripping or something. Okay, the next word is condensation. Condensation. Okay, cumulus cloud.
What?
Cumulus clouds. Cumulus clouds. Okay. Wind vane. Typhoon. Clouds. Okay. El Nino. Thunderstorm.
The pictures are throwing me.
Okay. Clouds.
You said that one.
Okay. Anemometer. Well, I trip over that one every time. Anemometer.
What is that?
It measures something to do with the weather. I'm sorry, I do not know the definition of that one. That's a good one to look up. Okay, climate. Flood.
What?
Flood. La Nina. Tornado. Tornado. Okay, do you have bingo there?
What?
Do you have bingo?
Yeah, 5 in a row.
You've got bingo.
I think so.
Okay, do you want to go for a blackout, or are you ready for the next game?
I guess we'll do the next or whatever.
Okay, let's go for the next game. The next game, each of you take a sheet of this paper. Would you pass it around, please?
Thank you.
Now, I never do that at a real bingo game.
Of course not.
And
I think I've played once in my whole life in Las Vegas. I was getting close. I just needed a hot one.
okay.
Oh, I had Nino, because this was a free one. I had bingo a long time ago, because this was free.
Okay,
I had bingo a long time ago, but I didn't X this out.
You had bingo too?
Yeah.
okay, I'm going to give you a definition, and I want you to see if you can write the word for it. So number 1 through 10, and then I'll give you the definition. Okay. Okay, number 1, a disagreeable atmospheric state.
A disagreeable atmospheric state.
Yes, a disagreeable atmospheric state.
State, S-T-A-T.
Correct.
I don't either. Is it a word from here?
It might be.
No cheating.
Okay, number 2, to protect against the weather.
To what?
To protect against the weather. Okay, number 3, the state of the atmosphere with respect to heat or cold.
Respect to what?
To heat or cold. The state of the atmosphere with respect to heat or cold.
How do you know?
I don't know these answers. I'm feeling really stupid.
Okay, this one is probably going to be your toughest one. It is a scale for rating tornado intensity based primarily on the damage tornadoes inflict on human-built structures and vegetation.
Oh, so it's like F1, F2, F3.
Yeah,
But I don't know what.
You don't know what they
I'm
have.
a meter.
Yeah, I'm
You
gonna
don't
put
know.
that because I don't know.
You don't know what the F stands for. You're going to learn that one. Okay,
Oh.
number 4. Okay, you've got them. Okay, number 5. A violent, destructive, whirling wind accompanied by a funnel-shaped cloud that moves over a narrow path. Okay,
On the land or the ocean?
by land.
Okay.
Okay, this is rainfall associated, this is number 6. Rainfall associated with a periodic wind, especially in the Indian Ocean and Southern Asia. Rainfall associated with a periodic wind. It is especially seen in the Indian Ocean and Southern Asia.
I don't know.
However, other parts of the world claim the same terminology.
They do?
Even here in Las Vegas.
We claim that?
Yes,
Oh,
That terminology?
yes.
I think I got that one wrong.
Okay.
And I don't know what it is.
Okay, number 7. A small circling windstorm.
A small circling?
Yes.
What do we call those as kids? I can't remember what they were called.
Gusted.
Okay, now next one. A mass of streaks of rain appearing to hang under a cloud and evaporating before reaching the ground.
Yeah, that's got a name and I can't think. What?
Okay, number 9. A tumultuous outburst of rain. A tumultuous outburst of rain.
I wrote that for number 1.
Number.
Okay, number 10. Parched with heat, especially of the sun. Parched with heat, especially of the sun. So parched with heat that especially comes from the sun.
Is that 10?
That's
10.
like a desert. But
Okay.
that's not weather, is it?
Yes. Deserts aren't necessarily weather.
Write down anything for 8 or 9.
Okay,
I didn't
so-
get 6, 7, or 8.
Okay, are you ready for the answers?
Okay.
A disagreeable atmospheric state is storm.
Oh, I got that right. Yeah.
I just put stormy.
Thunderstorm.
Okay.
Stormy's good.
To protect against the weather is weatherize.
I put
put on-
weatherization, is that
That's
okay?
good.
I put umbrella.
The state of the atmosphere with respect to heat or cold is weather.
No,
Oh, I
climate.
put snow.
Okay, this is the one where your F register comes in. The Fujita scale.
Is that what that is? I
Yes.
didn't, this is here, right here, right?
It is a-
F-U-J-I-T-A?
Yes. It is a scale for rating tornado intensity based primarily on the damage tornadoes inflict on human-built structures and vegetation.
Okay.
That's in the boys.
A
Wow.
tornado, this is the next one, is a violent, destructive, whirling wind accompanied by a funnel-shaped cloud that moves over a narrow path.
Hyphant.
The next one is monsoon.
A monsoon.
Rainfall associated with a periodic wind, especially in the Indian Ocean and southern Asia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
A small circling windstorm is a whirlwind.
Whirlwind.
Okay.
Probably dust devil.
Okay, that's pretty close. Dust devils are the little ones. A massive streaks of rain appearing to hang under a cloud and evaporating before reaching the ground is virga, V-I-R-G-A.
What number is that?
That's number 8.
Virga.
And then a tumultuous outburst of rain is a torrent.
Oh, I put downpour.
Okay.
That's not good.
And then parched with heat, especially of the sun, the word is torrid, T-O-R-R-I-D.
Wow, I don't know
That's
anything
hard.
about the weather.
This was a hard, I flunked.
Well, the reason we did this is so you
I
can learn
rushed
these
to check my
terms.
weather channel.
How do you spell monsoon? I
M-O-N-S-O-O-N.
spelled it right.
Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is have you take a piece of paper here,
Or just do the
or
backside.
you could do the backside of your bingo game, which
What did you say number 9 was?
number 9 is torrent, T-O-R-R-E-N-T. But a downpour is not an outburst necessarily, it just comes down heavily. A torrent just bursts out on you. Okay,
Does that happen here?
yes.
Okay.
Okay, so what I want you to do now is reach in here and get one of these definitions and words, and I'm going to give you 1 minute to write as many sentences as you can using the word.
I think I need a piece of paper here.
And we just have to write one sentence?
No, try and write as many sentences as you can using that particular word, but you do have the definitions. On your mark, get set, go.
Well, I don't know what this means. We write weather words, list for definition.
What were we supposed to write about this?
You write as many sentences as you can using the word there, but you've got the definitions to help you.
Torrent, okay.
Okay, go. Start writing. Okay, stop. Okay, did anybody get a sentence?
I got
Yeah, but it didn't get finished.
Go ahead.
my word was Fujita scale, and I wrote the Fujita scale was a 2. And then I wrote the Fujita scale was invented by a person named Fujita.
Okay. Darlene, do you want to read what you got?
But I had torrent, a tremendous outburst of rain. The only sentence I could think of is that it came down and ruined my flowers.
That's
That's
good.
great. Donna?
A monsoon fell in the region of southern Asia with periodic wind gusts, and I was going to describe the wind gusts and the
Okay.
rain.
I want to thank you
That
all
far.
so much for helping me out
That's
tonight. And you did great. Really and truly, these words are not words that you use every day unless you go to check the weather, which is something that I do because I always have somebody out driving somewhere in my family, either all over Vegas or all over southern Utah.
Well,
And so I check the weather every day.
but I learned a lot. I have a question though, since you're the weather expert. Which ones are the serious clouds?
I think I can't remember.
Are those the big fluffy ones?
Yeah, kind of blighter ones.
What what are the cumulus?
Aren't those the ones we call thunderclouds, thunderheads? I don't know.
I'm not sure.
Oh,
The teacher doesn't have to know everything.
No, that is true.
this was really fun.
You get to take these home and just look at things that you might want to look up online or on your.
Okay.
And thank you so much.